discuss about some key concepts in JavaScript like closure, callback, promises, async and await. And I want to discuss about closure. In this closure, the closure occurs when inner function remembers the variable of outer function when even after the outer function execution is completed. First, in this outer function, it creates a variable called count, which is initialized to 0, and outer function. In that outer function, we have inner function, which increments the count plus 1 and prints the variable of count. And we have returned the inner function. The inner function is assigned to our counter. When we call the counter, it executes the count by incrementing 1. Let us execute this code. I have also executed node by using this command node space closure. This one is incremented by first we have first first call it is 0 is incremented plus 1, and for second call it is becomes the plus 2. This is closure, which is of fetch data, which has the attribute of callback. In this, I have used a set timeout, which waits for 1 second. After that 1 second, it prints the data fetched statement and calls the callback function. And I have created another function which is display data that prints just a message called displaying data. When we call the fetch data of display data, then it goes to the function and displays the data after it has completed 1 second. Let us show that node space once waited space callback. After 1 second, it has displayed the data is fetched, and after that message, it has displayed the displaying data. This is wait. Promises. I have created a fetch data function. In that fetch data function, I have in that it creates a promise of resolve, comma reject attributes which having it. In that I have created set timeout function which waits 1 second. After that 1 second, these statements will be executed. If success is true, then it resolves and it data fetched successfully message will execute. If success is false, it rejects the data and error fetch data is occurred. When we call the fetch data function, then dot then message is execute if the success is true, dot catch message is execute if the success is false. uh, this is I have already executed that node promise. Data fetch successful. This message is executed because then. promise is resolved and success becomes the true. This is promise about async and await in JavaScript. Taking some time. See here I have created a fetch data function. In that fetch data function, in that it returns the promise of which having the attribute of result. Mainly the await async and await handles the synchronization tasks in the JavaScript. And I have written that set timeout function which uses for waiting the 1 second. After that 1 second, then a resolve statement will be executed, and we call the display data function. In this display data function, async. mm, After that 1 second, it prints the fetching data statement. After that, it pause the execution until the resolve statement is executed. After result will be executed. Uh, let's see this. I have already executed that node space async underscore await. This is the command to execute this JavaScript file. First here I executed the fetching data statement. After that 1 second, data fetched successfully because this will be executed because the promise is resolved. This is async and await. This is mainly used for resolving the handling the async list. That to-do list is a main function that creates and manages the to-do list, and it has a all which is an array that manages the to-do list, such as adding task, mark as complete, or overdue. These all functions has methods has been managed. Mm, and Yet today, this yard is used to add some tasks to the list, and like title, like this. I will show that, like title, submit assignment, due date. Mm, This is added to the list by using the add method, and mark as complete, which dues are completed and becomes true. Then this block will be executed after overdue. This is returns tasks that are past their due date, and due today is a method that returns tasks that are having dues in today's task, and due later, then returns then returns that tasks that are in due in future. To displayable list, this is a method display converts a list of tasks into a formatted string for display. And we are here adding some task to the display. You can create a to do object from the to do list function, and to do object, and this adds the methods. Some tasks are overdue, some tasks are due today. Some tasks are due later. Uh, overdue that are that which filters the once wait. I'll see that. Filters and displays tasks that are overdue, and this will be executed this due today. The filters the tasks and displays due today, and this filters the tasks and displays the due later tasks. This is a to-dos list JavaScript.